on va commencer avec leçon 3 aujourd'hui pour classe 10e. Première question. Quelles sont les différentes parties d'un CV? Dans un CV, on trouve l'ensemble des renseignements. I've written the difficult words on the board. Des renseignements concernant l'état civil, les titres, les capacités du candidat. So it's always good if you prepare your culture and civilization from together with French. Same book I am also holding. So we're going to do the question answers from this book. So the first question is, which are the different parts of a CV? So what is CV? It's a kind of a resume or a biodata that you need to make when you go and look for a job. So dans un CV, in a CV, we find some renseignements, information concerning l'état civil. L'état civil is your personal data. Les titres, the titles, the headings are given there in the CV. Les capacités du candidat. The capacity du candidat, what is the caliber of the candidate, okay? What are the qualities of the candidate? Deuxième question, quel est le travail d'un secrétaire? So what is the work of a secretary? C'est un peu de travail intellectual et manual. It's a little bit of work which is about thinking, and more of the work is of manual. Manual means something that you do on computer or laptop. So elle doit prendre des notes. What is her job? She must take notes. Taper et imprimer des lettres. Taper, type. Types letters and print the letters. Ranger les dossiers. She arrange the files and take the photocopies. Question 3. Enumerate quelques objets qu'on peut trouver dans un sac. So name some objects that you can find in a bag. On peut y trouver. E represents to the bag. We can find there des stylo, pens, des trombone, paperclip, des stylos à billes, ballpoint pen, des ruban adhésifs, sellotape, des gommes, eraser, très bien, des agrafes, stapler, des règles, ruler, des bloc-notes, des dossiers, files, etc. Next question, qui est Céline Dion? Elle est une chanteuse canadienne. She's a Canadian singer. Quelle profession aimeriez-vous exercer? Which profession do you want to pursue? So, j'aimerais beaucoup être médecin. You can change according to your own thing, okay? So, I would love to be a doctor. And when you see together with French, below always there are practice questions given. So, it's always good if you do those practice questions also. So, first question, à quel âge commence-t-on à chercher un travail? And if you see at the back of these lessons, the answers are also given of practice questions. So you can see after where the lessons are ending, there you can also refer to the answers. So at what age do we start to work? On commence à chercher un travail à l'âge de 22 ans, 22 years. We start to work at the age of 22 years. Last question, à quoi sert? À quoi sert le site internet de pôle.emploi? À quoi sert? What is the meaning of this expression, this question? It is means. So what does this site means, pôle.emploi? Pôle.emploi .fr nous aide, it helps us à réaliser toutes les démarches relatives. It helps us to fulfill all the required steps au statut de demandeur d'emploi, which are required for a job. For example, it's a site where you can go and upload your CV. It's going to ask you to fill few steps, then you fill it, and then the post for the specific jobs, it keeps on coming to you, okay, through your email. So this is a website that you can refer when you're going and looking for a job. So these were the questions of Leçon 3. I'm going to complete all the lessons which will be coming in your coming board exam. So Leçon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which are the lessons that are coming? Leçon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These. Il y a 4 leçons. So I've already covered 3 of them in one of my playlists of culture and civilization. I'm going to cover all of them So keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for all your love. Au revoir.